In this video, we will be installing the AutoStop Eliminator in this 2019 Jeep Compass. First, we're going to take a look at our AutoStop Eliminator wiring harness. And taking a look, we have our control module. We also have a male harness and a female harness. And this is for a 12-pin connector. And we were provided 4 zip ties. Through the driver's side door, we can begin this installation, and we will be taking a look to the left of the brake pedal up underneath the dash. Now this is pretty far in there, and you do have to contort your body to fit up underneath there, but we are looking for the harness for the gateway security module, and we want to find that 12-pin connector. And we do have a tab that needs to be depressed so that we can wiggle that wiring harness out. And if you recall, we do have a male and female end of our unit. We can first connect in the female end to that port we just disconnected, followed by the male end to the corresponding wiring harness. And before I zip tie everything up, I am going to test this by first turning on the vehicle. And I'm then going to turn off the auto start stop. After that, I'm going to turn the vehicle off. And when I turn the vehicle back on, it should save that setting of having that auto start stop in the off position. And it did save that setting. Since everything appears to be working properly, I can go ahead and zip tie up any loose wires up underneath, and this repair is complete.